Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York with another New York City Vault video from the New York channel. Today we're in Manhattan. We're going to check out FAO Schwarz at Rockefeller Center. FAO Schwarz is kind of new to Rock Center. For years or decades they were on Fifth Avenue right across the street from the Plaza Hotel. But something happened with their lease. I don't know exactly what the story was, but they weren't happy with their lease. And they moved from that location that they were, like I said, for decades, right here to Rock Center, not too far up the street on Fifth Avenue, and we're going to check it out today. FAO Schwarz is known for its high-end toys, life-size stuffed animals, interactive experiences, and games. FAO Schwarz is the oldest toy store in the United States, first opening its doors in 1862 in Baltimore before moving to New York City, where it has moved between several locations since 1870. The dance on piano, made famous by the 1988 Tom Hanks film Big, brought national attention to the brand. The store's interior was the inspiration for the fictional Duncan's toy chest featured in the 1992 film Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. It's also been featured in films such as Mighty Aphrodite, Baby Boom, and Big Business. This place is rich in history and just always a blast to visit, and anytime I'm in the area I love to stop in, especially around Christmas time where there seems to be a lot of activity and a lot of specialty toys on display. So you ready to play? Follow me on a tour of FAO Schwarz here in Midtown Manhattan. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.